In this tutorial, we will show you how to use Find My on your iPhone and locate your lost device. To enable Find My, you can go to Setting and then tap on your name and you can select Find My and toggle the switch on. You also need to enable Send Last Location to help you locate your iPhone even when the battery is low. To locate your iPhone, you can open the Find My app on your iPhone, or you can visit icloud.com/find on a web browser, or you can visit icloud.com/find on a web browser. You will see a map with the location of your iPhone. If your iPhone is nearby, you can play a sound to locate it. But if your iPhone is far away, you can enable Lost Mode to lock your iPhone and display a message on the screen. If you are unable to locate your iPhone or you think it has been stolen, you can erase your iPhone remotely to prevent your data from being accessed by someone else. To do this, you can go to Find My app or you can visit icloud.com/find and select Erase. And you can select Erase this device or Erase iPhone. That's it, guys. You now know how to use Find My on your iPhone. With this feature, you can locate your lost or stolen iPhone and protect your data. Try it out and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for watching and bye.